Hello chess lovers. I am Tarun Andana and I am a federated chess player, and today I am starting a powerful new series and on one of the most aggressive openings in chess, the Sicilian net of defense. This opening is famous for creating dynamic positions and winning chances, and it has been used by world champion and top grandmasters. In this series, you will learn real tournament game analysis, key strategic plan and tactical ideas, common traps and mistakes, and how to play NetDoff confidently as black. In today's video, we will break down an exciting NetDoff game move by move in a simple and clear way for players of all levels. If you want to improve your attacking chess and opening understanding, this series is perfect for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell so you will never miss a lesson. Now let's jump into today's Sicilian NetDoff battle. The games begin with e4 and c5. The players are Ashodes 11 and Papionos Loyanas. It is old game and it was played in 2009. And we will start with e4, c5, knight f3, d6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4, knight f6, knight c3, a6, knight ef3, e5, knight b3, bishop e7, preparing for castle, and then bishop e3 also trying to prepare for castle after queen d2, bishop e6 developing the bishop, then queen d2 preparing for castle, castle, then castle, then a5, then a5 trying to attack the knight by a4, then queen e1, then queen c7, then knight b5 attacking the queen, then queen plays c6, then knight takes a4 a5 capturing the free pawn, then queen backs off, then king b1 defending a2 pawn, then d5 attacking e4 pawn, then e takes d5, then knight takes d5 attacking bishop on e3, then bishop d2, bishop also back off, then knight c6 attacking on a knight on a5, then a3, then knight d4 attacking on knight b4, then bishop d3, then knight takes b5, bishop takes b5, bishop f5, bishop d3 defending the c2 pawn, then bishop takes d3, then c takes d3, then queen d7, then knight c4, then knight, then b5, then knight e5, then queen b7, then queen e4, then f5 attacking the queen, then queen backs off, then b4, then a takes b4, then bishop takes b4 trying to exchange a bishop and win, then win by attacking the king side, then knight c4, then rook e8, then then we will play queen f2, then bishop takes d2. If he takes with rook, then knight c3 or queen b3 is also good. Then queen takes d2, then rook e2. If you take, then you will simply play knight c3 and win the queen. Then queen c1, then queen b3 trying to checkmate, then knight a5, then rook takes a5, then white resigns, and it this is the game.